the automotive industry is revving up for a major overhaul, and Italian carmaker Alfa Romeo is leading the charge with its electrifying new ride, the Alfa Romeo Tonale plug-in hybrid Q4. Over a century strong, Alfa Romeo has lost none of its magnetism or mystery. Its storied history, from the racetrack to the road, is a testament to the automaker's singular passion and purpose. This is the story of Alfa Romeo, Italy's legendary automaker, and the latest addition to its car lineup, the Alfa Romeo Tonale plug-in hybrid Q4. With its all-electric driving capability, it's perfect for city cruising, emitting zero local emissions and operating quietly. But don't let the green credentials fool you. The Tonale packs a punch with its sporty Italian heritage. So let's dive in and discover all the intriguing details about this new piece of automotive excellence. Established in 1910 in Milan, Alfa Romeo got its start building lightweight, handcrafted sports cars that thrilled on the racetrack and road alike. They won their first major victory at Le Mans in 1931, securing Italy's place in automotive glory. And of course, Alfa Romeo competed in the first Formula One World Championship, took the title, and cemented its status as a champion of speed. Through each era, Alfa Romeo continued perfecting its craft, producing iconic sports cars such as the 8C, Giulia GTA, and 4C, models that turn heads today, just as they did years ago. Fast forward to the present day, and we have the Tonale plug-in hybrid, a car that embodies the very essence of Alfa Romeo's signature driving pleasure. With its Q4 all-wheel drive system, the Tonale combines agility, lightness, and driving dynamics to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. This latest addition to the Alfa Romeo family is a head-turner from the moment you lay eyes on it. The Italian SUV looks unlike anything else on the road, with a style that is as bold as it is elegant. Every line and angle has been sculpted to perfection, from the smooth hood and windshield that flow seamlessly together, to the muscular shoulders and rear haunches that give it a powerful presence. The Tonale wears its Italian roots proudly on its sleeve, or rather, on its carbon honeycomb fascia that wraps around its edges. This honeycomb pattern trim is just one of over 100 authentic accessories Alfa Romeo offers to enhance the Tonale's sporty character. From titanium trim on the grille, mirrors, wheels, and skid plates, to a roof rack for adventurous drives and a ski carrier for winter sports, the Tonale's got it all. Naturally, with a design this sharp, the Tonale doesn't need much help standing out, but it has several features that provide extra style and personality. These details give the Tonale a distinctive figure on the road, with looks that are as sleek as they are spotty. From its smooth hood and windshield that seamlessly flow together, to the muscular rear shoulders that give it presence, every angle of its design has been expertly sculpted. There are also subtly stunning touches, such as the illuminated Alfa Romeo logo and Tonale badge on the dashboard, and other additions such as the door sill guards, all-weather mats, valve caps, and more, all showcase the brand in their own way. The Tonale also features 20-inch alloy wheels with 5-spoke cutouts that shave 9.8 kilograms off its unsprung weight while improving braking and heat dissipation, resulting in enhanced performance, handling, and endurance. This unconventional styling matches Tonale's rebellious and purposeful character. Offered in Verde Visconti green metallic or fiery Rosso 70 red, the Tonale turns heads whether glimpsed or ground. Its powerful yet graceful stance inspires confidence on winding mountain roads or dense highway driving alike. Though captivating from afar, the Tonale invites you to discover its talents firsthand. With its striking yet dynamic design, premium features, and oodles of Italian style and passion apart, the Tonale delivers more than superficial appeal, which leads us to the gorgeous interior. Starting from the cockpit, which is a haven of refined luxury, sophisticated design, and premium materials that bring significant improvements over previous Alfa Romeo models, the Tonale's sport seats envelop occupants in leather and support, balancing performance-honed bolsters with cushioned comfort. The steering wheel and switches use premium padded materials for an engaging yet refined feel. The DNA drive mode selector allows dynamic changes to the Tonale's character, from relaxed and efficient to outright exhilarating. Veloce models gain aluminum shift paddles for an even more engaging driving experience. Despite a compact footprint of just 4.53 meters, the Tonale provides a spacious feel with generous proportions. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, headroom, and an open, airy feel, able to fit as comfortably as in vehicles larger than their own. Width and height dimensions similar to an Audi Q3 or BMW X1 allow the Tonale to navigate tight spaces with ease, while still feeling airy and unconfined within the cabin. The Tonale's interior also features a 12.3-inch telescopic binnacle display and a 10.25-inch central touchscreen, together providing the largest interior surface area in its class. The infotainment system is controlled by an Android-based interface with over-the-air updates, and it can be integrated with Amazon's Alexa, allowing hands-free control of features for safety and convenience. The display also includes an electrobiscion, changing color to show the electric motor's status. Interestingly, these screens offer technology in a subtle, elegant manner rather than an overtly high-tech feel. The dashboard and trim pieces use high-quality, soft-touch materials and artful details throughout. Across the console, an embossed central cubby provides artful storage and the type of nuanced finish found in fine timepieces. A beautiful strip of backlighting subtly illuminates the space, and the lovely animations of the iconic 3x3 lamp motif bring a touch of distinctive Italian flair to the displays. Now, whilst the Tonale's cabin is undoubtedly a masterclass in delivering premium appeal through painstaking craftsmanship rather than conspicuous wealth, what about its performance? Well, this stylish Italian stunner delivers an exhilarating yet eco-friendly driving experience, thanks to its advanced hybrid powertrain. Its 1.3-liter multi-air turbo petrol engine provides power to the front wheels, while an electric motor spins the rear wheels, resulting in a combined 280 horsepower. This allows the Tonale to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds on its way to a top speed of 128 miles per hour. When operating on electric power alone, the Tonale can reach 83 miles per hour with zero direct emissions. It has an impressive 42-mile all-electric range per charge and 50 miles in urban electric mode. In addition to these performance credentials, the Tonale hits about 236 miles per gallon on the combined cycle and only emits 26 grams per kilometer of CO2, showcasing Alfa Romeo's dedication to crafting dynamic yet sustainable mobility. The Tonale uses a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, optimized for its hybrid duty, with features like a high compression ratio, cooled components, adjustable cam timing, and a new direct injection system. It works with a 48-volt transmission and belt-driven starter generator to allow short distances of electric driving. The Tonale plug-in hybrid Q4 further offers cutting-edge software and innovative features that enhance efficiency, performance, and connection. Its redeveloped DNA system provides smooth control of traction, dynamics, and hybrid power through a single selector dial. Dynamic, natural, and advanced efficiency modes optimize performance, all-wheel drive, and electric-only driving, respectively. But ultimately, perhaps the Tonale's most talked-about feature is its complimentary NFT. The NFT is basically a digital certificate which will be linked to the car and will continuously update with information about it, including maintenance records and milestones like reaching 100,000 miles. Alfa Romeo has stated that this well-documented history will provide valuable data for the owner and can also be helpful in the event of a future sale, giving potential buyers a better understanding of the car's condition and history. Production of the US spec model is officially underway, and the Tonale is set to arrive at dealerships in June. But here's the best part. The 2024 Tonale starts at an affordable $42,995. And if you lease instead of purchasing, you could be eligible for a whopping $7,500 federal tax credit. And don't forget, Alfa Romeo has already opened pre-orders for the higher-end tie-in Veloce trims, but the company has just announced that an entry-level Tonale Sprint will also be available. So, whether you're looking for a top-of-the-line model or just want to dip your toes into the world of Alfa Romeo, there's a Tonale for you. Overall, while innovative constraints challenge the Tonale plug-in's potential, With time and supply, this hybrid could emerge as a compelling eco-performance option. It has everything from cutting-edge performance, sustainable style, and advanced technology offered in equal measure. An innovative yet approachable hybrid, the Tonale begs not just to be admired, but to be experienced. So, if you can, would you consider getting this hybrid vehicle? Tell us below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car content.